Hi everybody, I'm Rudy and this is Nick and we're with the Camano Island Fire and Rescue. Today I'm going to go over some boater safety to help you while you're out on the water. Ensure that you have an onboard GPS system that is functional, your cell phone, a compass, and also a good set of binoculars. We also recommend that you carry a set of tools with you, or at least a knife and a multi-tool. Also, do yourself a favor and carry a bottle of sunscreen. Better yet, make sure you already have one on board. And in case your electronics fail, it's always a good idea to have a set of navigational charts. That way you can not only let us know, but also Coast Guard in case of an emergency. Be aware of the tides. This may affect the ability to launch, retrieve, or dock your boat. You can download an app onto your cell phone or purchase a tide book. For more information about boater safety and regulations, go to the U.S. Coast Guard webpage or the Washington State Recreation page. Thank you for being safe with Camano Island Fire and Rescue.